Imagine a world without electricity, without microchips, without even basic digital displays. A world where the most complex calculations were done by hand or with simple tools. Now imagine discovering an object from that ancient world, an artifact so impossibly advanced, it seems to defy the very laws of time. An object that, by all accounts, shouldn't exist. For over 2 millennia, it lay hidden beneath the waves, a silent testament to a forgotten genius. Today, we delve into the astonishing story of the Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient computer crafted by hands over 2,000 years ago that continues to baffle scientists and rewrite the history of technology. Our story begins in 1901, off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera. A team of sponge divers stumbled upon a Roman-era shipwreck laden with treasures, marble statues, bronze figures, and pottery. But among the more conventional finds, one object stood out, a heavily corroded calcified lump of bronze and wood, roughly the size of a shoebox. It was broken into dozens of fragments, but even in its degraded state, it hinted at something extraordinary. When archaeologists first examined the pieces, they were utterly bewildered. Embedded within the encrusted mass were intricate bronze gears, some no larger than a fingernail, others with dozens of teeth. They appeared far too complex, too precise, for anything known to have been created by ancient Greek technology. The initial reaction was confusion, even disbelief. How could such sophisticated clockwork exist in a world that wouldn't see similar mechanisms for another 1,000 years? It was an anomaly, a technological ghost from a forgotten past. It took decades of painstaking research, using X-ray tomography and advanced imaging techniques to truly unveil the mechanism's secrets. What emerged was a device of breathtaking complexity. It contained at least 30 meshing bronze gears, some arranged in a differential gear system, a technology previously thought to have been invented in the 16th century. This wasn't just a fancy clock. The Antikythera Mechanism was an astronomical calculator of unparalleled sophistication. Its front dial displayed the zodiac and solar calendar, tracking the sun's position through the constellations. But its true genius lay on the back. 2 large spiral dials, each with multiple pointers, could predict the precise movements of the moon and all 5 known planets, as well as the timing of solar and lunar eclipses. It even had a small dial to track the 4-year cycle of the ancient Olympic Games. Imagine the precision, the mathematical knowledge, and the engineering prowess required to design and build such an instrument. It was, in essence, an analog computer, capable of modeling the cosmos with astonishing accuracy. The question then becomes, who built this marvel and why? The level of astronomical and mathematical knowledge embedded in the mechanism points to the greatest minds of the Hellenistic period. Names like Archimedes, the legendary mathematician and inventor, or Hipparchus, the father of trigonometry, or Posidonius, a polymath from Rhodes, have all been suggested as potential creators or inspirations. Perhaps the most perplexing aspect of the Antikythera Mechanism is its isolation. Nothing remotely similar in complexity or function is known to have been built for another 1,000 years. The next comparable gear-driven astronomical clock wouldn't appear until the 14th century in medieval Europe. What happened to this advanced knowledge? Was the Antikythera Mechanism a singular invention, a brilliant flash of genius that was never replicated? Or was it part of a lost tradition, a school of engineering and astronomy that vanished with the decline of the Hellenistic world, perhaps swept away by war, political upheaval, or simply the loss of knowledge over time? The fact that such a sophisticated device could exist, then disappear from the historical record for so long, is a profound mystery. It forces us to reconsider how much of ancient ingenuity we truly understand. The Antikythera Mechanism stands as a powerful testament to ancient genius, a stark reminder that our ancestors were capable of astonishing feats of engineering and scientific thought. It challenges our preconceived notions of technological progress and leaves us wondering what other forbidden technologies lie undiscovered, waiting to rewrite our understanding of history. It's a tangible link to a lost era of innovation, a silent whisper from a time when the lines between science, philosophy, and art were beautifully blurred. What do you think about this ancient computer? Share your theories in the comments below. If you're as fascinated by these ancient enigmas as we are, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow history buffs, and subscribe to Ancient Mysteries for more journeys into the unknown. Because the past is far more complex and intriguing than we often imagine. And next time, we'll delve into another astonishing puzzle, the Voynich manuscript, the world's most mysterious book, written in an unbreakable code. You won't want to miss it.